Hey folks, got a real quick video I wanted to do here. I picked this guy up at my local Toys R Us, Jeffrey's, yesterday. And this is the NECA Lightning Gremlin. As you can see, it's just a pretty thin sheet of blue translucent plastic. Pretty good design on it. No movement anywhere. Take it out. He's got the little lightning bolt ass. Looks good. I'm not sure which one's the front and which is the back. But of course it can't stand or anything like that. So it does have a little stand that it comes with. If you look in there, you can just see that there's a little slot in it, and you just simply slide this right into that slot, and that's it. And here he is with the only two other two Gremlins that I have right now, which is the Mohawk and the Brain. But you can see he's, about the right scale. Looks good. But that's all there is to it. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Hope y'all are having a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.